Good day everyone. In this video today, I will show you how to make a public video private on TikTok. So to do this, what you have to do is just open your TikTok app. So when done, click on profile at the bottom right of the screen. So when done, you can then go to the video which you want to make private. So right here, as you can see, all the video right here is on public. So anyone which you want to make private, what you have to do is just to click on the video. So when done with that, the next thing for you to do is just to click on the three dash icon, which is this one right here, to continue. So when done, scroll right here, then click on privacy settings. As you can see right here, the video is on everyone. So to make this video private, just click on only you, then the video will be made private. So that's how to do this. Hope this video helped. Please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.